It's time to install the cable railing. We marked where each post would go, then pre-drilled holes directly into the deck frame. After seeing the Muzata cable railing system, I fell in love with the sleek design they offer, so I reached out and they custom designed my cable railing system so I had the perfect amount of product. I ran the cables through the holes, then crimped the adjustable bolts, and basically repeated the same process over and over again until all the cables were in the railings. I didn't tighten the cables until the handrails were installed because the posts are level and squared, so tightening the cables would basically pull them inward, making them crooked. After all the cables were put in, it was time to install the handrail. I used my miter saw to cut the corner at a 45-degree angle, then carefully connected the railing together. What's cool about this handrail is that it has a channel grouped into it so that LEDs can be slid in, and a sleek protective cover. We installed the handrail, then went ahead and tightened up all the cables. And just like that, we have a deck with a cable railing system. I'll show you the way the LEDs light up later on in the video.